A helpful swing key, if you want a feel key for putting, is one that will help you keep the putter square to the swing plane all the way. And that is the left shoulder as your guide. When the left shoulder goes straight down, the putter comes straight back on your swing plane. When it comes straight up, the putter comes through on your swing plane. Now, a lot of people set up and then their left shoulder comes back. And when that happens, you can pull the putt, or to prevent the pull, you come across and push the putt. Either way, you're going to have inconsistent contact. So what you want to do is feel the left shoulder go straight down and straight up. And when you do that, the ball always starts on line.